بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد.
Surah Al-Lahab, the flame. This surah is Makki and comprises 5 ayat, verses. With the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Very Merciful. Perish the 2 hands of Abu Lahab, and perish he. Abu Lahab was one of the uncles of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. When the Holy Prophet ﷺ was directed by verse 26, ayat 214, to invite his clan to Islam, he ascended to the Mount of Safa and cried out to the tribe of Quraysh in a manner that was known among them for warning the tribe of an expected attack from an enemy. All the clans of Quraysh assembled around him, and he said to them, "If I were to tell you that the enemy is about to attack you, would you believe me?" All of them replied in affirmative. Then he said, "I am a warner sent to you before a severe torment, if you continue to worship idols." Abu Lahab responded, "Perish you! Is it for this purpose that you have called us together?" This surah was revealed in this background. Neither his wealth benefited him, nor what he earned. According to some reports, Abu Lahab bragged that if the torment of the hereafter was true, he had enough wealth and children to save him from it. He will soon enter a fire full of flames, and his wife as well, the wicked. The word wicked is, though not available in the text in express terms, the nasb on hammala, which is termed in Arabic grammar as nasb al-dam, carries this meaning. Carrier of firewood. She was Jamil. Like her husband, she was a staunch enemy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. According to some reports, she used to collect thorny branches from the jungle and place them in the way of Holy Prophet ﷺ. This is one explanation of the phrase carrier of firewood. According to other exegetes, carrier of firewood is an expression used by the Arabs for a person who sows dissension and ignites the fire of enmity between people by backbiting. She used to narrate unfounded stories about the Holy Prophet ﷺ to ignite the fire of hatred against him. Around her neck there is a collar of iron, like a well-twisted rope. This is the position in which she will be resurrected on the Day of Judgment.